Okay, I think let's play like really well.
Oh. Oh, it's yours.
Okay. Every time Annie's front court, we triple block.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'll play middle. I'll play middle.
That's fine.
I'll play middle.
What do you want to play?
First play of the game, you need to send me a meetable middle, and I'm just gonna bounce it.
Alright, sick. Done. No matter what the pass is.
Yeah, no matter what the pass is.
No matter what the
first play of the game, that has to be the play.
Okay, done.
And
Can I do it really high?
yeah, really high,
Okay.
and then say for middle. For middle. So no one gets in the way. And for me.
Okay, done. And then I say fly high. Second serve.
This works now.
Oh shit, yeah. By the way, guys, I'm setting middle.
Okay.
No one touch it. Fly high! You fucker! He demanded for this, bro.
Okay, so that's his middle point.
Yeah. I'm going to you next. Oh shit, my bad. That was so tight. Wait, could you have gotten that though if you were like a bit faster?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, go faster. Are we still flying high? Okay.
I'll let you know when we can fly high.
Okay. Shoot, by the way. Oh shit. It's too tight. Someone. Wait, grade up.
I stole your
Suddenly outside, yeah, it's okay.
Oh, you're outside.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm Fana? Yeah.
Wait, said. So should we do like a time lag?
Time lag? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, then what must I do?
Huh?
Should I just
You should. And then
Okay.
I'll
Yeah, okay.
I want to see Annie jump. Wait, that was such a bad choice.
You have to say now. You have to say now.
Okay.
Things I've ever seen. No.
Okay.
Now, babe.
Yeah. If I say now, then do it. If I don't, then don't. If I say now, then do the time lag. If I don't say anything, just run a normal A kick. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. I don't know. I'll send you though. Ooh.
No, I was too.
Believe in yourself, and you're halfway there.
Lip.
Yeah. Wait, am I?
Wait.
High five.
Bye. Oh. I could have gone that. No, it's lip. It's lip.
That's your both. Sorry. Take note.
Hey, quick.
Okay. Back go.
Oh, that would have been a good A quick.
Are we actually doing a quick or are we doing the shoot?
Yeah, no, A quick.
Okay.
Nice. I'm back row.
I had to run from there back to here.
You fucker! Why are you stealing our idea? Why is she stealing our idea? No, but it's gonna be. Ours is gonna be better.
Yeah, I'll finish that.
Yeah, she did.
She didn't mean to do that.
Yeah. Oh, I keep pushing you too far out. My bad.
It's okay.
Wait, I didn't say now. Oh, wait, I'm trolling, bro. I'm trolling. Okay, I'll remember. Bro, just like run and hit it.
Just run it. Okay.
Yeah. That's.
Okay, I got you. I understand.
Okay.
I understand it now.
Downloaded.
He did the tennis session.
Help.
No, it's like, it's so good. Yeah.
That's so
Oh, it's so
Yeah. Now. She on the floor. Yo, you're never gonna see this next one coming.
What play you want?
Huh?
What play you want?
We're running a shoot opposite. Where the fuck? Oh, here. Ah, here.
Why would you shoot the enemy though? What the hell? Alright, we're going to slide there. Oh shit.
Now they believe, now they believe, now they believe. Now they believe. Is it me? Break. Now. Let's go!
Let's go!
Oh my god, I fucked myself. Shit. Oh, I really thought I could just like fuck them over. Alright, this is coming to you no matter what.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa! Goals. Oh, I keep pushing you guys too far out. I keep thinking the court is like really big, but it's really not. Where am I? Middle? Sorry.
I'm not ready.
You can still hit that though.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't ready.
Yeah, okay. Wait, you're front court. Huh? No, I was like kind of slow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Me. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I'm back row. Oh no. Oh shit, my bad. Accuracy.
Oh, lip serve?
Yeah.
I think I got the timing now.
You got the timing now.
Timing now. Watch it.
Alright.
Pipes ready, pipes.
Yeah.
Can I get it? That's good.
Wait, I gotta run a big, so just like,
Yeah, that's fine.
so go up and just scream as loud as you can.
No!
What? Hey!
Okay, no!
Wait, you want it higher?
I don't know what I want.
No, bacon, bro, run faster.
I'm 24 match point. Let me finish this.
Alright, I got you. Fly high! Wait! I said fly high. It was so short, and then he fucking kill blocked you.
Come on, man. That was the lowest ever, bro.